Are you struggling to reach your financial goals? Do you feel like you're working hard but not getting ahead? It might be time to take control of your finances and start working towards financial success. In this video, we'll be discussing 10 steps you can take to become a millionaire with an average income. Set a clear financial goal. Setting a clear financial goal is crucial to achieving success. It gives you something to work towards and helps you stay motivated and focused. The first step in setting a financial goal is to determine exactly how much money you want to earn. This could be a specific dollar amount or a certain level of financial independence. It's important to be realistic and consider your current income and expenses, as well as any potential income sources you may have in the future. Once you have a target income in mind, it's important to set a timeline for when you want to reach this goal. This will help you stay on track and measure your progress. It's also important to have a plan for what you will do with the money once you reach your goal. Will you use it to retire early, pay off debt, or invest in something specific? Having a specific purpose for your goal can help keep you motivated. Setting a clear financial goal is the first step towards achieving financial success. Determine exactly how much money you want to earn and by when, and have a plan for what you will do with it once you reach your goal. This will help you stay focused and motivated on your journey to financial independence. Increase your income. The more money you earn, the more you can save and invest, and the closer you will be to reaching your financial goals. There are several ways to increase your income. The most obvious is to negotiate for a higher salary at your current job. This may involve demonstrating your value to your employer through your work performance and achievements, as well as researching industry benchmarks and salary data to support your case. Another option is to find additional sources of income, such as freelance work or starting a side business. This can be a great way to diversify your income streams and potentially earn more money. It's also important to continuously educate yourself and develop new skills that will make you more valuable in the job market. This can include taking courses, getting certifications, or networking with industry professionals. In summary, increasing your income is a crucial step in achieving financial success. Consider negotiating for a higher salary at your current job, finding additional sources of income, and continuously developing new skills to increase your value in the job market. Invest wisely. Investing allows you to grow your wealth over time and reach your financial goals more quickly. There are many different investment options available, including stocks, mutual funds, real estate, and more. It's important to research and compare different options to determine which ones align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. One key principle of wise investing is to diversify your portfolio. This means spreading your investments across a variety of asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, rather than putting all your money in one place. Diversification can help reduce risk and increase your chances of success. It's also important to have a long-term perspective when investing. Don't let short-term market fluctuations discourage you. Instead, focus on the big picture and your long-term financial goals. Finally, it's a good idea to seek out the advice of financial professionals, such as a financial advisor or investment manager. They can help you make informed decisions about your investments and ensure that your portfolio is aligned with your financial goals. In summary, investing wisely is a key strategy for achieving financial success. Research and compare different investment options, diversify your portfolio, and have a long-term perspective. Seek out the advice of financial professionals to help you make informed investment decisions. Save aggressively. Before we get to that, I would like to introduce the sponsor of this video, the Frugal Living Handbook. Our comprehensive ebook covers everything you need to know about living a frugal and rewarding life, including creating a budget, identifying areas for cost, cutting, and much more. Order our ebook via the first link in the video description and start your journey towards financial stability and security. Now let's get back into the video. The more money you are able to save, the faster you will be able to reach your financial goals. There are several ways to save aggressively. One option is to automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings or investment account. This makes it easier to save consistently, as the money is transferred automatically and you don't have to remember to do it manually. Another way to save aggressively is to cut back on unnecessary expenses and redirect that money towards savings. This may involve things like reducing your entertainment budget, eating out less often, or canceling subscriptions you no longer use. It's also a good idea to set specific savings goals, such as saving a certain amount each month or saving for a down payment on a house. Having a specific goal can help keep you motivated and on track. Finally, consider increasing your income if you are able to do so. The more money you earn, the more you will be able to save and invest towards your financial goals. Saving aggressively is an important strategy for achieving financial success. Automate your savings, cut back on unnecessary expenses, set specific savings goals, and consider increasing your income to boost your savings even further. Pay off debt. High levels of debt can hold you back and prevent you from reaching your financial goals. There are several strategies you can use to pay off debt more quickly. One option is to focus on paying off high-interest debt first, such as credit card balances, as this will save you the most money in the long run. Another strategy is to negotiate with your creditors to see if you can get a lower interest rate or more favorable terms. This may involve things like consolidating your debts or refinancing a loan. It's also a good idea to create a budget and stick to it. This will help you free up more money to put towards paying off your debts. Consider cutting back on unnecessary expenses and redirecting that money towards debt repayment. Finally, consider increasing your income if you are able to do so. The more money you earn, the more you will be able to put towards paying off your debts. Paying off debt is an important step in achieving financial success. Focus on high-interest debt first. Negotiate with creditors for better terms. Create a budget and consider increasing your income to free up more money for debt repayment. Build an emergency fund. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. It provides a financial safety net in case of unexpected events, such as job loss or medical emergencies, and helps protect you from financial hardship. An emergency fund should be sufficient to cover at least 6 months' worth of living expenses. This may seem like a lot of money, but it's important to be prepared for the unexpected. To build an emergency fund, start by setting a savings goal and determine how much you need to save each month to reach it. Consider automating your savings to make it easier to save consistently. It's also a good idea to set aside any windfalls or unexpected income, such as tax refunds or bonuses, towards your emergency fund. Your emergency fund should be kept in a separate, easily accessible account, such as a high-yield savings account. Avoid investing it in risky assets, as you want it to be available when you need it. Building an emergency fund is an important step in achieving financial stability and security. It provides a financial safety net in case of unexpected events and helps protect you from financial hardship. Set a savings goal and determine how much you need to save each month to reach it. Consider automating your savings and setting aside any windfalls or unexpected income towards your emergency fund. Keep your emergency fund in a separate, easily accessible account and avoid investing it in risky assets. Create a budget and stick to it. It allows you to track your income and expenses, identify areas where you can save money, and ensure that you are saving and investing enough to reach your financial goal. To create a budget, start by listing all of your income sources, including your salary, any freelance work or side hustles, and any other sources of income. Then, list all of your expenses, including fixed costs like rent and utilities, as well as variable expenses like groceries and entertainment. Subtract your expenses from your income to determine your net income or net loss. If you are spending more than you are earning, you will need to make adjustments to either increase your income or reduce your expenses. This may involve cutting back on unnecessary expenses, negotiating for a higher salary, or finding additional sources of income. It's also important to track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Review your budget regularly and make changes as your income or expenses change. In summary, creating a budget and sticking to it is an essential step in achieving financial success. It allows you to track your income and expenses, identify areas where you can save money, and make adjustments as needed to ensure you are on track to reach your financial goal. Diversify your portfolio. Diversifying your portfolio is an important strategy for reducing risk and increasing your chances of success as an investor. It involves spreading your investments across a variety of asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, rather than putting all your money in one place. There are several benefits to diversifying your portfolio. One is that it helps protect you from market volatility. If one of your investments performs poorly, the others may help to balance out the loss. Another benefit of diversification is that it allows you to take advantage of different types of investment opportunities. For example, stocks may do well in one market environment, while real estate may do well in another. By diversifying your portfolio, you can take advantage of a wider range of opportunities and potentially earn higher returns. To diversify your portfolio, consider investing in a mix of asset classes that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. It's also a good idea to periodically review your portfolio and make adjustments as needed to ensure that it remains diversified. Diversifying your portfolio is an important strategy for reducing risk and increasing your chances of success as an investor. It involves spreading your investments across a variety of asset classes and periodically reviewing and adjusting your portfolio as needed. Stay disciplined. It involves sticking to your financial plan and not letting setbacks or temptations derail your progress. One key aspect of staying disciplined is having a clear financial goal and a plan for how to reach it. This helps you stay focused and motivated and gives you something to work towards. It's also important to be consistent in your efforts. This means saving and investing consistently rather than trying to catch up after a period of slacking off. Another aspect of staying disciplined is avoiding impulsive decisions. This may mean avoiding impulse purchases or large, unnecessary expenses. It's important to think through financial decisions carefully and consider their long-term impact. Finally, it's a good idea to surround yourself with like-minded individuals who are also committed to financial success. This can help keep you motivated and accountable. Staying disciplined is an important aspect of achieving financial success. It involves sticking to your financial plan, being consistent in your efforts, avoiding impulsive decisions, and surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who are also committed to financial success. Seek out mentors and educational resources. It allows you to learn from those who have already achieved success and gain valuable knowledge and insights to help you make better decisions with your money. One way to seek out mentors is to find individuals who have achieved financial success and ask them for guidance and advice. This could be through networking events, online groups, or simply reaching out to someone whose career or financial accomplishments you admire. Another option is to seek out educational resources, such as books, courses, or podcasts on personal finance and investing. This can help you gain a deeper understanding of financial concepts and make better decisions with your money. It's also a good idea to stay up to date on industry trends and news, as this can help you make informed decisions about your investments. Seeking out mentors and educational resources is an important step in achieving financial success. Find individuals who have achieved financial success and ask for guidance. Seek out educational resources on personal finance and investing, and stay up to date on industry trends and news. So if you're ready to start improving your financial well-being, take action now and check the first link in the description for our ebook. It's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.